One thing I've learned since moving out on my own is that curtains make a home. And if you don't believe me, look at this before and after of my living room with 2 pages curtains. The before is giving nothing. It's giving college student, it's giving barren and sad and empty. But the after eats. The after looks so good. My boyfriend was even like, wow, this looks amazing, because now we're able to have like a sheer moment if we want. But these curtains from 2Pages absolutely transformed my living room and my bedroom. We got the linen curtains for the bedroom and it just looks so like sandy, luxurious. Both rooms came out better than I could have even imagined, and the quality of these curtains are so good. They're so thick and like luxurious, and the material is so, and even the sheer ones too, they're like the perfect sheer. There's so many different kinds of fabric that come in so many different kinds of colors. 2Pages made it really easy because you can customize every single panel that you're ordering, the width and the length. And they have so many add-ons. You can pick what kind of pleat you want in them. The process of putting them up and the hooks themselves are super easy and super sturdy. Overall, this experience was great, and 2Pages made it super easy to totally transform our living room and our bedroom, and then everything will just be looking so good and so complete, even though we don't even have furniture yet.